Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create survey in Gohighlevel. So all you have to do is head on to sites, then from there you come to survey, so you come to builder. Then all you just need to do is click on add survey. The process is very easy, just as your form. So you click on back here, so we can name our survey. Let's name it survey test. So go back to field. So the first one might be add my test, something like basic information or personal information. So I can reduce the text size to 20. I can change this to 600 and so on. Then I can now add the basic information. So that's the phone name, the phone, the email. So here, add new slide is to go to the next step. Maybe add for address. So I can say city, state, country. So I can add as many steps as I want. So you can see I can go to my custom field as well. I have a lot of custom field here. Maybe current status. And so I have a lot of custom field maybe. So that's just how you go about it. Then you save. Then you click on integrate survey. So this is the code you can use on your website, and this is the link. So let me show you one more survey I did here. So this is a complex survey all from Gohighlevel. So you can see this unit of interest, this personal information. You can see this other occupants. You can see how this is. So you just have to play around. You can see for them to upload their payroll photo ID, SS card, SSN, and to sign. So that's all about survey. Thank you. See you in the next episode, next module.